With more cyber threats on the rise than ever before, it's important to have your internet privacy safeguarded. With that being said, it's important to have a VPN on your Mac system just in case any breakouts happen, especially with the amount of hackers, bad actors, and people on the internet who are trying to do harm to your system. This video will give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to actually download a VPN onto your Mac and get started with using one in the most easy way possible. Not only that, but we'll also show you how to get access to the best deals and best discounts possible when getting started with a VPN on a Mac. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you know exactly what those discounts are and how to take advantage of them. If you guys want the best VPN to utilize on your Mac right now, I'd recommend getting started with SurfShark. SurfShark is an incredibly powerful tool that you can utilize to keep your online interactions private. All you simply have to do is hit the link down in the description and head over to this website right here. This is what you'll see, and this is SurfShark's About page. As you can see, you're going to get 3 months extra on top of the original plan that you choose, which is going to save you a bunch of money. You're also going to get access to a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is also super helpful. All you simply have to do is hit the Get Started button here on Surfshark. Once you've done that, it'll then take you over to the Compare VPN Plans and Pricing page, and this is where we can simply see all the different plans that we have at our disposal. Remember, we're on a 24-month basis up here, and we can change that to 12 months or 1 month, and each of these month plan differences have different benefits and different deals that are available. As you can see, the most popular plan, we're going to be saving about 83% on our overall order, and it's only about $2.69 a month. Plus, we get those 3 extra free months as well. All we have to do is hit the Get One button, and once we do that, we'll then just enter in our email address, choose our payment method, and then over on the right here, make sure everything looks good. Once we've done all of that, we'll then simply be able to check out and we can get started with Surfshark. Once we've picked a plan for Surfshark and created an account, we then can head back to this page and hit the Download App button. Once we hit the Download App button, up in here in the recent download history will be the Surfshark DMG file. We'll simply want to click that, which will then present us with the Surfshark installer. We'll simply take the Surfshark icon and drag it over to our applications folder, which will then drop into the applications folder. We now officially have Surfshark directly downloaded onto our computer and it's ready to go. To actually pull up Surfshark, we'll head up to the top here with this little magnifying glass and search up the word Surfshark. Once we see it there, we'll then double click this, which will then prompt us to ask us if we want to open Surfshark because it is downloaded from the internet. We're going to go ahead and say open. It'll take a few seconds to open. As you can see, Surfshark is now fully installed on our computer and we're actually inside of Surfshark's interface. As you can see, there's a host of different servers that we can immediately connect to as soon as possible. And now I'll show you guys all the different features inside Surfshark. If we head over to the left here, this is our tab category where we can see all the different options that we have to choose from. Currently, we're on the VPN tab, which is giving us access to all the different VPN servers that we can connect to. If we head over to the Alert tab, we can see that on Surfshark Alert, this is going to give us alerts for things like identity protection, data control, and even protection over our email accounts and the overall privacy of them. We can actually set this up with the Surfshark One plan if you purchased it. Just below the Alert category, we have the Antivirus category. This is where basically we can protect ourselves from any viruses that might find our way onto our computer via malicious websites or potentially bad downloads that we might have done. Once again, this is only available with the Surfshark One plan, which you can get started with if you did that during the pricing plan portion. There's also the search option built into Surfshark, where you can basically browse the internet and search for things without ever leaving a trace. This is even more private than an incognito browser, which has shown to actually end up leaking some of your data in the past. You also can avoid personalized ads by doing this, and you can get truly organic results. There's also the alternative ID option, where you can basically protect your identity by creating a different persona or a different ID altogether. This is super helpful if you want to browse the internet as a hidden person or somebody who you're not really. And then of course, last but not least, we have the settings. In the settings, there's a few different things you can change, things like the actual appeal or look of Surfshark, like with the dark mode option, for instance. And of course, there's also push notifications that you can have, and even launching this on startup. You could also do things like change the icon location and even the app language. Some of the other settings include things like VPN settings, where you can change things like your quick connect location. You can also have it auto connect the second that you pull up Surfshark. And there's even the clean web option, which basically blocks ads and trackers when the VPN is connected. There's also the kill switch, which is a super helpful feature. This is a feature where basically if your internet connection drops out for any reason, the VPN will shut off immediately and not have any of your data leak. You also can see which protocol you're using, which is currently the WireGuard protocol, which is a super helpful and super secure protocol. And there's even advanced settings like rotating IP, no borders, which is basically a feature that protects internet freedom and connectivity around the world. And there's also the ability to hide your device on local area networks or LAN features. Other than that though, if you want to update your password, subscription, or login details, you could also do that in the settings. And of course, there's the Get Help option where you can get any help you might need with setting up your VPN in the first place. And that's pretty much it. On the main VPN section, you can see all the different servers that you can connect to. These are just a few examples. If we go to the locations tab, we can see the hundreds of different servers that we have to choose from. This is super helpful because it just gives you that much more customization to choose which country you want to appear that you're broadcasting from, or even more specifically, accessing the internet from. This is super helpful too if you want to watch some of your favorite TV shows that aren't available in your home country. All you simply have to do is connect to a VPN that's located in that country, and you'll have full access to the websites and the TV shows that are present there. Hopefully this video helped you install a VPN onto your Mac in the first place. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and use the link down in the description to get access to the best possible deal when getting started with SurfShark. Also remember, most of those links in the description are affiliate links, and we do earn a small commission from each sign up, so thank you in advance for supporting the channel. Other than that though, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.